Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'm Henry and today we're gonna go over all the misunderstandings and questions you guys might have. Number 1, does wax remove scratches from the paint of a car? Yes, no, it all depends what type of wax you're actually using. If you're using a wax that contains abrasive like slick finish, then it will be removing scratches from the surface of the paint. Nothing too deep, only light scratches. If you're using a wax like butter wet wax, it contains no abrasives in it. All it has is natural cleaning oils that removes scuff marks, paint transfers, overspray, and much more. Number 2, does clay bar remove scratches from the surface of the paint? It does not remove any type of scratches from the surface of the paint because it contains no abrasives. We recommend clay barring the surface of a car whenever your paint feels rough. If your paint sounds rough and isn't smooth to a touch, we recommend clay barring it. Also, a lot of questions that come in is saying, does clay bar remove oxidation from the paint? It only removes a very, very light oxidation of the paint. If your paint is severely oxidized, we recommend polishing out your car. Number 3, do not use dirty rags. And by that, I mean, do not cross-contaminate rags. If you're using a towel to clean your wheels, like a black Workhorse towel that's right here, do not use it on your paint. The reason why, a lot of brake dust accumulates on your wheels, and whenever you go to clean your paint, all you're doing is rubbing all that nasty gunk from your wheels onto your paint. You'll start scratching it, you could mar it, or cause imperfection in the paint. We recommend having designated towels for designated areas, such as green for exterior, yellow for interior, blue for windows, and etc. Number 4, another common mistake people do is they go to coin washes and tend to drive off without drying the car. Is that bad for your paint? Yes, many of the coin washes you guys go to don't have deionized water. So what happens is whenever you drive off, you have dirt, dust, debris, fallout sticking onto the surface of the paint, and the water isn't deionized. So it's causing water spots, it has calcium in it, and the only way to remove it, it's gonna be if you polish it out. So did you really get a car wash? No, you only got water onto your car and now it's dirty. We recommend drying your car with an air blower or a designated drying towel like our woolly Mammoth. And finally, number 5. Many of you guys use water as a clay lubricant. Do you recommend it? No. Water tends to drag, so whenever you're dragging your clay bar or gliding your clay bar across the surface of the car, all you're doing is rubbing all that contamination everywhere and dragging it. It's causing marring, scratching, and much more to your paint, and you're getting more paint defects. If you use a designed clay lubricant like our Chemical Guys Clay Luber, it's gonna help your clay bar, clay block, or clay mint just glide right over the surface without rubbing or dragging all the contamination all over the surface of the paint. It's way easier, it's a lot more slick, and it's a lot easier to use. And there you guys have it. Those are 5 common mistakes that happen out there in the detailing world. If you know of any other mistakes out there, please let me know down below. We'll read them all, we'll reply back to you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys here next time at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.